Welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. My name is Ruchi and today I'm going to share a fun project with you. So I have here a lettuce head. As you can see, it's a full lettuce head which I got from the store. So what I'm going to do is that I'll cut it about 2 inches from the bottom. And of course these leaves can be used in the salad or sandwiches. Now I have this and I'll put it in about an inch. This is too much of water. Let me just drain some of it. And I'll put it in an inch of water. And that's it. Then the only thing that you have to do is watch it grow. So here is another lettuce that I had put 2 days ago. And you can already see that there are some leaves growing in the middle. And wait, here is another one which I put in the water about 10 days ago. Can you believe it? You know, just from nothing and just from water, so much of lettuce is growing. So, okay, I admit, this lettuce probably is not enough for you to make a salad or to make sandwiches for a family of 4 or 5, but it is fun, isn't it? And you can cut this and use it. I can make at least one sandwich out of it. So it's just a fun project, Basically, whenever you are using lettuce, just use the bottom part, put it in the water, and especially if you have kids, it is so much fun for them to see that they can actually grow things so easily. So I'm going to cut this and use it in my sandwich, not sandwiches. I'm going to put it back in the water and then I'll post a video again to show you whether it grows back or not. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, leave a comment and press the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.